Hold on. All right. So running here at 2,500 RPM, 8,000 RPM spindle. Yeah, we're going to increase the spindle speeds here. We're at full bore right there at 8,000. Ran down to 7,000, 6,400, 5,600, 4,800, 4,000. Okay, spindle sounds good. Let's do a tool change. Okay, completed the tool change, and then let's jog each axis around. Y-axis, X and Y, X, Z, okay, that's our Milltronics RH20 here at Advanced Machinery. More details, give us a call, 937-278-7337. Specs and pictures can be found on our webpage, advancedmachinery.com, here in Dayton, Ohio. Be glad to take care of you. Thank you.